Here we see the lesser spotted depressed male. A scavenger and a hermit. The beast subsists on what he can find in his immediate surroundings. It has been many days since he has seen the outside world, but this hibernation period is far from over. A nocturnal creature, the depressed male will sleep today, having stayed up all night, worrying about a joke he made that nobody laughed at. In 2003. It is an isolated existence, with only the occasional calls from his mother for company.
Right, I've gone to work now. You're actually going to leave the house today, son?
Her attention goes largely unnoticed.
Okay, bye. Love you.
Though this does not deter the mother. Alone once more, aside from the voices in his head, the beast contemplates something a bit more stimulating. He may opt to cry again for the third time in 24 hours, or he may find the strength to do something he enjoys. And
fuck off, Attenborough.
Mental illness is a strange beast. To learn more, drop into a Life Rooms near you or visit liferooms.uk and see how we can help.
You can shut up and all. It's your fault you can't get a proper store at Mackey's. You're all fogey. Okay, so whenever you're ready, and I'll try and follow you up as you stand up. That was great. Do that one more time though, just because Rosie came in and got something.